Have you ever wondered how to use Facebook groups to build your audience? In today's rapidly evolving digital marketing landscape, Facebook groups stand as an impactful tool. They are not just mere digital spaces, they are vibrant communities that foster audience engagement and customer retention. Imagine having a platform that allows you to interact with your audience, hear their thoughts, and cater to their needs. That's the power of Facebook groups. So how can you utilize this tool effectively? Stay tuned to find out. The first step in leveraging Facebook groups is to create one. Imagine a space where you can gather your community, share ideas, and foster meaningful discussions. That's the power of a Facebook group. But how do you set one up? Don't fret, it's simpler than you think. First, you need to come up with a compelling group name. Think about your target audience and what would resonate with them. The name should be clear, catchy, and hint at the purpose of the group. Once you have your name, it's time to set up the privacy settings. Facebook offers 3 options: public, closed, and secret. A public group is open to all, a closed group requires approval to join, and a secret group is invisible to non-members. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Next, you're going to want to invite members. You can invite your Facebook friends or share a link to the group elsewhere. Make sure you're inviting people who will be genuinely interested in what the group has to offer. Now, let's talk about the group description and rules. The description should be detailed and clear, giving potential members an idea of what to expect. The rules, on the other hand, are there to guide member behavior and ensure a positive and respectful environment. Remember, your Facebook group is not just a platform, it's a community. It's a place to engage, share, and grow together. Now that you have your group set up, the next step is to engage your audience. Engagement is the lifeblood of any Facebook group. Now that we've set up our group, let's dive into the meat of the matter: how to keep that group alive and kicking. The key is engagement. And when we say engagement, we mean constant, dynamic interaction. Regular posts are your first weapon of choice, but not just any posts. Posts that invite interaction, that spark curiosity, that encourage sharing. Quizzes, questions, challenges, these are the kind of posts that get people talking, and more importantly, keep them coming back for more. Then, there's the power of polls. Polls are a fantastic way to make your members feel heard and valued. They give you invaluable insights into what your group members want, need, and think. Discussion threads are another great tool. They create a space for members to share their thoughts, opinions, and experiences. It's a way to foster a sense of community and camaraderie, which is what Facebook groups are all about. Of course, none of these strategies would work without one crucial element: your responsiveness. When someone comments on your posts or messages you, respond promptly. Show them you're there, you're listening. This builds trust and encourages more interaction. But don't stop there. Go beyond just responding. Initiate, stimulate, and moderate discussions. Keep the conversation flowing. Remember, the goal is to build a community, not just a following. You're not just building an audience, you're building relationships. And that's the real power of Facebook groups. Now, how can you use your Facebook group to grow your business? Well, it's all about balance. It's important to promote your products or services, but you don't want to come off as overly salesy. This could turn off your members. So, how do you strike that balance? Start by creating value for your group members. This could be in the form of exclusive offers or previews. For instance, you could offer group members a first look at a new product or service before it's released to the public. This not only makes your group members feel special, but it also builds anticipation for your product or service. Another strategy is to use your group as a platform for gathering feedback and ideas. People love to be heard and to contribute. You can ask for their opinions on potential new products or services, or even ask for their input on how to improve existing ones. This not only gives you valuable insight, but it also makes your group members feel valued and engaged. However, remember that leveraging your group for business growth is not a one-time effort. It requires consistency and ongoing engagement with your members. You need to keep offering value, asking for feedback, and promoting your products or services in a way that feels genuine and not overly promotional. With the right strategies, a Facebook group can be a powerful tool for audience building and business growth. Before we move towards the conclusion of our video, we just wanted to remind you to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Your likes not only tell us that our content is valuable to you, but they also help more people discover our videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Momentum Mentoring. We're constantly creating insightful content on social media strategies, business growth, and more. By subscribing, you'll get notified whenever we upload a new video, so you won't miss out on any of our tips and strategies. Stay tuned, and let's keep the momentum going.